topic is full wave rectifier. So here we have two circuits for the full wave rectification. So one is known as the central tap full wave rectifier and the other is known as the bridge rectifier, which we will study afterwards. And here you can see that central tapping means the secondary of the diode part, basically it has been central tapped. Okay, so this point is basically at the center of these turns, because if suppose it has 6 turns, so 3 terms would be would be included in the upper circuit, and the last 3 turns would be included in the downward circuit. And here 2 diodes have been used. This diode is named as D1 and this diode has been named as D2. Suppose we are applying the AC input. So as you know, the AC input is sinusoidal in nature. This is the positive cycle of the AC circuit, AC signal, and this is the negative cycle of the AC signal. So you can see that when we are applying the positive part, suppose positive voltage is there. So after crossing this step down transformer, so positive part would reach here and the negative part would reach here. So this diode would be forward biased and this diode would be reverse biased. So no current would flow in the lower section, but there would certainly a flow of current in the upper section. So the current flow in the upper section which would give you simply a wave like this. Okay, so because let's take now example of negative half cycle. So there is a negative half cycle. So what it means that this part would be D2 would be operating then and D1 would not be operating. So in that way this with diode would work and this circuit would work, and this would because this is reversed biased now, so no current would flow, and because the current is flowing in this direction, again here also we will obtain a signal. So this signal we would obtain. So this has been basically graphically represented like this, and because during the positive half cycles you can see this diode D1 is working, and during the negative half cycles diode D2 is working. But overall, over the whole one cycle, both one of the diode, even if one of the diode is working, then after even then we are getting a signal. So it means we will get signal all the time. That is why it is known as the full wave rectifier. So this is one circuit arrangement, and this is known as the central tapped full wave rectifier.